Hi everyone, so today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 144, binary tree pre-order traversal. So in this question, given the root of a binary tree, return the pre-order traversal of its node values. So what does pre-order exactly means is, like at the time of traveling, we will first write down the root node, then the left, and then the right node. Okay. So for example, in the given example, we will first check or write down the root node. Then we will check if there is any left node or not. If not, we will write the right node, which will be 2, and then we will pick the left node of whatever node we have. For example, if we had a left node over here, then we will pick the left element of that particular node. So this is exactly what we have to do, and I'll be using a stack to implement this. So what I'll be doing is I'll be simply just uh, keeping two arrays, result and a stack. In the results, I will be appending all the elements which in the pre-order traversal way specifically, and in the stack, I'll be adding down the left node and the right node, or the left subtree subnodes, or the right subtree. Okay, so let's move to the solution, and I'll explain the go what exactly we'll be doing. So we will start. We will start with the result node. Okay, and there are two ways to attempt this. I'll be doing the recursion way for implementing the pre-order traversal, but you can also use an stack to do the same. So let me define a new function, a nested function, which will be called pre-order. And over here, I'll be expecting a node. Okay. Now what we need to do is if node is none, like this is the basic check, I just want to return. Okay, I don't want to go further deep down into the recursion. Otherwise, result dot append. So whatever node we will be getting will be treated as a root node. So I want to add that into a result array. Okay, so node dot value. Okay, next I want to call the same function recursively. First, I'll be calling the left node with the left node. I mean to say sorry. So preorder node dot left, then preorder node dot right. Okay, so this is done, and at the last, I want to call this recursive function first. So, and I like to initiate it with the root we have received, and at the end, I just want to simply return the result. So this is it. Let's check if the test case is getting passed. Yeah, so the test cases were passed. Let's submit for further evaluation. Yeah, so the solution got accepted, and we performed decent. I think we outperformed 58.72% of the submitted solutions. So yeah, thanks again, guys, for watching the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Thank you.